My video guide is about removing the ransomware that is called Tjgmykb. This is the ransomware type threat that attacks many Windows computers all over the world today. The ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It encrypts the files that customers store on their hard drives. Obviously, before the ransomware attacks, there are no troubles opening the files of any type, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be easily injected into the system, and then pretty soon customers realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. Whenever people try to open this specific file, they get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the extension that is called like that. So the ransomware encrypts these files and doesn't let customers use them anymore. So the ransomware adds this special Tjgmykb extension to the files that are damaged by it. Also, the ransomware tells the victims to pay the certain ransom for file restoration and decryption. But believe me, paying the ransom is not a good idea because this does not guarantee that your files would be restored. So even if you pay the ransom, there is no chance for you to restore these files. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager. In case you find any suspicious processes here, it's a good idea that you terminate their tasks, and this will help you stop the further file encryption. Now, I also recommend you to investigate your system with the Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. It will help you to detect this ransomware and to remove it effectively. Please get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green Download Combo Cleaner button. Install the program and begin researching your device. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. You will see that the program will begin researching and investigating your computer, and then you will see the full summary of threats that were revealed during the scanning. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got this anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But remember that this feature is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact location on your computer. Even though some of these threats can be removed manually, we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium to neutralize all these threats automatically, and this way your files will always be protected against ransomware attacks in the future.